When it comes to AI video generators, nothing beats Haulio AI in my opinion. Its cinematic and expressive outputs are unmatched, and now, with the new director mode that lets you control camera movement just the way you want, I'm genuinely excited to show you what it can do. Let's dive in. Alright. So now we are on the website and this is the interface of this AI tool. Haulio AI gives you 100 free credits daily, perfect for creating high-quality animations. The best part? These credits renew every day. As I scroll down, you'll notice some amazing community creations, real masterpieces like this one. Just look at this output, doesn't it feel like a scene straight out of a movie? And here's another one. Even though the prompt is in a different language, the result is incredibly impressive. If you're new to the platform, simply head over to the Create Video section to get started. And here you can see we have 3 different options. We have the image to video. We have the text to video. We also have the subject reference. So we are going to explore all of these things one by one in this video. So stay tuned until the end. So if we just go ahead to the text to video in the model section, you can see we have 3 different models. We have the directory model and we have the base model. So let's try this one first. Drag an image or upload here. And inside of the text to video model, I'm going to prompt it. Let's say a woman in a studio suggesting a podcast. And here you can see we have the tiny pen option. So, if you enable this, the AI will automatically enhance your prompt. So if I select the directory model, you can see we have the camera options. So if you click on this camera, you can see we have multiple different options to control the camera. We have some cinematic shots where we have the debut, freedom shot, we have the left and right circling shot, we have the camera left, pan left, upward tilt. So I will select this one. Let's confirm the model and now hit this generate button and wait for the magic. One generation costs 30 credits. And here we go. And look at the result. Just amazing. Just note the camera moments. It looks real. Click on this download icon to save to your device. Now let's try another one. Let's enter a very simple prompt like man fighting. And now let's select a camera movement. I'm going with this right circling. There is also a brainstorm which use DeepSeek to guide you with anything you want. And we also have presets, you can try them as well. Let's go with the right cycling and hit generate. And this is the output video. Isn't it looks like any cinematic movie scene? So while you add any kind of the camera movements here, you can see at the end of the prompt we have this camera settings. We have the truck left, pan right, tracking shot. And you can see we have a really cool motion right panning effect that looks very good. I have tried some more image to video, you can check them and believe me guys, I'm really impressed by this mesmerizing tool. Now let's try the text to video. Let's try some simple prompts first. A man walking in a busy street. I will click this pen to auto enhance the prompt, and now, let's select the camera movement. So let's go with this right walking. And hit the generate and wait for the result. Let me enter another prompt and we will see the results later. Like a man walking in a lush green forest feeling happy. Let's say with a smiling face, feeling happy. And select any of the camera movements of your choice. And then hit the generate button. I'm gonna go with this one. So, you can play around with different camera styles. We have a lot of different options. It all depends on you. But believe me, the camera control feature in the Haulio AI outperforms any other AI video generator. And here we go. Just look at the cinematic lighting around it. Look at the environment around it. And the thing that I like most about the Haulio AI here is that it adds that extra layer of cinematic lighting that makes the shot look very, very attractive. Now, let's explore some more detailed prompts that include different camera movements to add depth and creativity to our creations. I've gathered these examples from Leonardo AI image prompts, which are great for inspiration. You can also use ChatGPT to refine or expand your ideas further. It's a helpful tool when crafting unique and visually rich scenes. You can see the results are truly impressive. The video scenes look much more dynamic, cinematic, and visually engaging. It really highlights how powerful well-crafted prompts can be when you're creating content with AI tools like Haulio. These are some more very simple prompts that I have tried, like a baby playing with a cat. Here we have a scene of a woman crying, and just look at this. The way Haulio AI handled this prompt is absolutely spot on. Honestly, if you showed this to someone and asked whether it's from an AI-generated short or a real movie scene, I bet they wouldn't be able to tell the difference. Now take a look at this scene of an old man crossing the road. The way Haulio AI captured the mood, movement, and realism is just incredible. It feels so natural. Next, let's move on to the last, but definitely not least, feature, and one of my personal favorites, the subject reference option. This feature allows you to maintain character consistency across different scenes. For example, I'll use this guy as our reference character and prompt something like a man playing basketball. Here's the result, and as you can see, the character consistency is spot on. The generated output closely matches the reference image, even though there's a bit of morphing. Now let's try another prompt, something like the man driving a new model car. And here's the result. This is incredible. The character remains consistent, and it perfectly matches our reference. This feature is a game changer for creating cohesive AI-generated stories or videos. Now take a look at this prompt, a man working on a laptop. Once again, Haulio AI nails the character consistency. The reference character is clearly maintained, and the scene looks natural and well composed. These kinds of results make it so much easier to create professional-looking videos with a unified style. So, if you're searching for the ultimate AI video generator, Haulio AI is my top pick. Here are some standout community creations, a complete short film made with this tool, so you can see just how impressive the results are. Whether you need consistent characters, dynamic camera movements, or polished cinematic scenes, everything you need is built right in. Personally, I'm blown away by the cinematic quality Haulio AI delivers. Every shot feels like it was crafted by a professional film crew. And the best part? On your first sign up, you get 1,000 free credits, plus 100 free credits every single day, so you can start generating videos even on the free plan. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. That's all for today, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.